In this video, I'm going to replace the upper tension device by first inserting the stud and pin and then building the device on that. After the device is in, I'm going to get the connecting linkage here and the pickup lever, and I'm going to install those items up in the front of the 237 there. And what I have over here is the 239, and when it comes time for me to install the linkage and the lever, pickup lever, I'm going to use that as a guide, as a template. I'm a very visual person, so that's what's going on there. So on this video, we're going to get the tension device in. I already did a clip earlier yammering about what's going on up there, so there might be some of that there. Basically, I'm able to oil that gear without having to take it apart any further. If I took it apart any further, it would be purely for curiosity reasons. So anyway, tension device, then the front end stuff, and then I'm going to make another video about something else. I've got a 348 that needs a bath, so maybe I'll make a video about bathing that.